Today we will learn the crochet tutorial for the rainbow blanket. Here, using this thicker yarn for demonstration. First, make a knot with the yarn. Insert the crochet hook through the yarn, then chain 161. Okay, after finishing the chain, find the back loop only below of the third chain. Here, one V shape is 1 stitch. Here is the second chain. Here is the third chain. Find the back loop only below of the third chain. To crochet, 1 single crochet SC, 1 chain. Need to place a stitch marker zim in the hole formed by these 2 chains. Place a stitch marker in this hole. Continue. Here, need to skip 1 stitch SK. In the next stitch, crochet single crochet SC, change. The pattern for the blanket is always 1 single crochet, 1 chain, then skip 1 stitch. Okay, after crocheting to the last row, first chain to 2. Then turn the work. The pattern for the next row is in this hole, in this large hole, not in the stitch itself, but in this hole, which is the hole created by the chain stitch on this side. The hole created. Crochet into this hole. 1 change, 1 single crochet SC. For the hole formed by these 2 chains just now, we need to. In this hole, place a marker zim. Continue crocheting into this hole. Our crochet pattern is all the same. What needs attention is the crochet method for the beginning and the end. The one with the stitch marker. 1 single crochet SC, then chain to 2, turn. And the hole from these 2 chains should be marked. Mark on these 2 chains. In this large hole. Continue crocheting. The stitch marker placed just now, don't remove it yet. To make it easier later, to know how many rows have been crocheted. Here we can see 4 stitch markers have been placed, and the row with this stitch marker hasn't started crocheting yet. The number of stitch markers placed is the number of rows. The further you go, the more obvious these holes become. Okay, after finishing this row, 5 stitch markers have been placed. Here, 5 rows are completed. You can also look at it this way. Then the V shape produced here. Here is the second row. Here is the third row. Here is the fourth row. Here is the fifth row. You can count like this. After finishing crocheting, need to change color CC. Crochet 1 change, then fasten off. Pull tight. Here is the main color MC, plus 2 rows of white yarn. Then change color again. Okay, take out the white yarn. Turn the work here. Previously, we were always crocheting into the large holes. When changing color, need to first crochet into the first stitch. First chain to 2. After pulling the yarn through, chain to 2. Also place some markers in. Okay, after finishing, still in this large hole, crochet single crochet SC and 1 change. Repeat this operation. While crocheting, place this yarn on top of the hook and hold it with your finger. Then wrap the yarn directly inside like this. This equals weaving in the end. Okay, when crocheting to the last stitch, also chain to 2, turn. Continue crocheting into the holes, and don't forget the stitch marker here. Okay, here 2 rows. After finishing, the white part only needs 2 rows. After finishing, chain 1, fasten off. After fastening off, take out yarn of another color. Then continue. The method is the same as before. Change color CC, then just keep repeating the crochet. Now learn the edging method. The edging uses white yarn. Find any stitch. Then insert the hook. Take out the yarn for the edging color. Insert the hook. First crochet 1 single crochet SC. Then yarn over yo. Skip 1 large hole like this. Then in the next large hole, crochet double crochet DC. Need to crochet 6 double crochets total. Okay, after 6 double crochets are done, then this is the hole below. Skip this stitch. Then in the next hole below, crochet 1 single crochet SC. Okay, yarn over, skip 1. Skip this one here, then crochet a single crochet at the very edge, reaching this position on the side. After finishing this side, the method for the side position is the same. If the holes are not clear here, approximately 1 centimeter gap, Here, a 1 centimeter gap. Okay, leave a 1 centimeter gap here. Crochet right here. Just continue following this edging method. Crochet this edging on all 4 sides of the blanket. This kind of edging. Everyone remember the position for weaving in ends here. There are many places to weave in ends here. You can take out a glue stick. Use scissors to cut it into a pointed shape. After cutting into a pointed shape, use a lighter to melt the glue. Apply it to this position. If you have a hot glue gun, it's more convenient. After weaving in the ends, apply glue here. Apply a little bit of glue. Then press tight. Finally, cut at the base. This way it won't come apart easily.